Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly, clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to Airline Studio tutorial 169, and today's topic is how to generate a user flow diagram in Airline Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the next page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select concept sketcher feature, because in Airline Studio if you want to generate a diagram, that is a user flow diagram in Airline Studio, you need to do it through concept sketcher, and then after clicking on it you would be redirected to the AI canvas, and there in the AI canvas you need to add your diagram name. So for example, I'm writing my diagram name as okay, and then click on continue. Over here in this input box you need to put up your use case, and if you want to add a node you need to do it through here. If you want to add icons, do it from here. If you want to zoom in and zoom out, you can do it from here. If you want to reset the canvas, you can do it from there here. And this is the animation panel for enabling the animation. This is the export panel, and this helps you check that how many credits are left for you to generate the diagram. So I have put up a very easy user flow diagram for user shopping application, and let's click on the generate button, and in the next 15 to 20 seconds diagram would be there on our screen. So this is how the diagram looks, and this makes it very easy to visualize user journey and application navigation without building everything manually. Now you can see this thing, that this is an flow that is 99% accurate, and it got generated for us in just 15 to 20 seconds. So same way guys, you can also use ALN Studio and save your time. This is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.